Hi friends, welcome to Prananth Kraftipedia. In this video, I am going to do a challenge. That is, I am going to eat food without fire for a day. Come, let's go into the video. For morning tiffin, I am going to eat fruits. Now the time is 10 am. First, we should drink adequate water. And in out, it is raining. I hope you could see it. Now, I am going to eat apples. Next, if I eat anything, I will continue. Now, I am going to eat orange. I will meet you after I am completing this orange. I have completed eating orange, but still here it is raining. Now the time is 1:15. I am going to prepare buttermilk. Now I am going to add required amount of water. Now in this, if you want, you can add salt. So I am going to add salt. Now I am going to drink it. It tastes good. Next, I will meet you in my next break. Now for lunch, I am going to eat bread. Now I am going to eat guava. The time is 4:30. And this is the guava which I have taken from our guava tree. And this is our guava tree. There are more guavas. Now the time is 5:45. Now I am going to eat banana. I am going to eat carrot as my dinner. And that's it today's video. I hope you all like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. If you want more videos like this, comment in the comment box. Thanks for watching this video. Bye.